Hola chicas, so we're just going to have a look at now Página 90, page 90. Okay, now I just let you know we are skipping ahead a few pages because there's things here that we're going to have a look at third year, and the other Spanish teachers and me, we had a meeting and we decided we're going to come back to these things like instrucciones or órdenes y consejos. So we're going to come back to these, okay? Like these are just given orders in Spanish, like speak, talk, eat, write, and we're going to come back and look at these numbers again. So we're not forgetting about them. We're just skipping ahead with everything going on at the moment, just to get the really key points covered, and we'll do that in third. So we're going to have a look now at pedir y dar direcciones. This is asking. Pedir is to ask, y dar is to give directions. Pedir y dar direcciones. There is a whole pile here. Okay, so what I want you to do is I want you to just take these down and put them into your vocab in your copy. I think there's over 20 here, or around 20. So there's a lot, and they're super important. So son muy importantes. So I want you to put them into cuaderno in your copy and just practice them. Okay, so I'm just going to put them in, just go through them here. Okay, so first one we got here is, you're going to see at the start, sigue y vaya. That is the verb there, and it's given in order. So siga means follow, is a verb from seguir, like seguidores, and vaya is the verb ears, to go. So siga or vaya todo recto means go straight ahead. Siga, vaya, todo recto, straight ahead. Todo recto, straight ahead, okay? Then we've got coja la primera calle a la derecha. Take the first street on it. So coja is the verb to take, verb coger. Calle is street, and primera is right. So coja la primera calle a la derecha. Take the first street on the right. Suba las escaleras. Subir, that's the verb subir. It should be subir, to go up. So suba, so go up the stairs, okay? Subir, suba las escaleras. Está a la derecha. So está is when we're saying está, so it's where something is, where you put something. A la derecha is it's on the right hand side. Está a mano. A mano is a way of saying of hand. Está a mano derecha means it's on the right hand side. So it's another way of saying right hand side, but a mano derecha means it's on your right hand, as in it's on the right hand side, okay? That's the first list, okay? Second we've got here is trusta or gira a la derecha. I don't really like this. Trusta, I always use gire or gira. So gire a la izquierda means turn left. So izquierda here is left, turn left. Coja la segunda calle a la derecha. So coja, we've seen as take. Segunda, second. Calle, street. A la izquierda, left. So take the second street on the left. So calle is street. Calle is street. Okay. Baje las escaleras. So bajar, that is the verb bajar. And the verb bajar means to go down. So baje las escaleras, go down the stairs. Then we've got está a la izquierda. It's on the left hand side. So there's the verb está. So we've just swapped. We've seen derecha for right, izquierda, left. And it always has a la because they're feminine. Okay, so está a la izquierda. It's on the left hand side. And the other way of saying is está a mano izquierda. So it's on by the. So remember, we know mano is hand now. So está a mano izquierda. It's on the left hand side. So these two here, está a la derecha, está a mano derecha, está a la izquierda, está a mano izquierda, they just both mean it's either on the right hand side or left hand side. Okay, good job. Next we've got gire a la derecha, turn or take the next right. Okay. Coja or coge la tercera. So we've seen primera first, segunda second, tercera third. So first, second, third. Coja la tercera calle is to take the third street on the right. Okay, so we see primera first, segunda second, tercera third. Cruce la plaza. Cruce la plaza, cross the square. This is our verb seguir again. Sigue hasta los semáforos. So semáforos is traffic lights. So these are your semáforos. They're your traffic lights. Okay. So keep going until. Hasta here is until. Whenever you hear like hasta luego means until then or until the next thing. So that's right. So keep going until the traffic lights. Pase la biblioteca. So past the library. Okay, go past the library, okay? Last list here we've got sigue por este calle, so keep going or just follow along the street, okay? Cruce, that's the verb to cruzar, the cross. Cruce el puente, that's our puente, cross the bridge. Siga hasta, that's the verb keep going, hasta until el puente, until the bridge. And last one, está. So remember that's where our prepositions, things are on or after, yeah? It's está en la esquina, it's on the corner. Esquina here is corner. So there's there's loads there on there's loads of directions there. So put a note of those into your copy and just practice as many of those as you can. Okay, I know there's lots there, but practice as many as you can. Okay. What I want you to do then is as well. So whenever you've gone to put those in your copy, I want you to do the listing. Okay. So I want you to fill out these two listings so that these people are asking for directions. Okay. So it says, pero hay una comisaría. Is there a police station? Something de aquí. Yeah. Hay una en la something de Salamanca. Is it de aquí here? No, está. No, it is quite. Bastante. Here's your quite. Okay. Cruce, so cross something. Todo recto. The library, gire, turn something. That says turn left or right. Y la comisaría está al lado, it's beside. Al lado de means beside. Something de correos is your post office. Okay. Gracias de nada. Okay. Buenos días. Me puede decir, can you tell me? Me puede decir, can you tell me? That's what that is. Me puede decir. He's asking. Está something. La Plaza de Toros, that's the ballroom. Okay, that's your ballroom, and the Plaza de Toros is your ballroom. Okay. Sí, por supuesto, of course. La Plaza de Toros está a 10, so it is 10 something from here, de aquí. Sigue todo, okay, something, so keep going hasta el final de la calle, until the end of the street. Gire, turn, a la, so turn left or right, I'm guessing here, y ahí está a something derecha. Muchísimas gracias, de nada, adiós. So try those two listings. I'll attach the file for that there. And then on Thursday, we're going to have a look at this email here. We're going to have a look at this email. We'll have a look at that. So just two things is take down the direcciones, start learning them, okay? And try the listening here, okay? Muchas gracias, chicas.